Hooty hoo, all you stock market gamblers. I'm Tall Mike. Today is Wednesday, August 26th. We're going to talk about the Fed and the new dollar. That's right, the Fed wants to replace the dollar. Why do they want to replace the dollar? Well, the dollar's broken. They know it. You know it. I know it. The dollar has lost about 94% of its purchasing power since the Fed started in 1913. They destroyed the dollar, single-handedly destroyed it. Now what do they want to do? Well, they got what's called a digital dollar. They keep the name the dollar, but it's a digital dollar. Now, yeah, I know a lot of you are thinking, well, Mike, it's like a credit card, right? It's just all dollars are digital now. Well, not exactly like a credit card. Let's think about this. What does the Fed really want to do? They really want to have negative interest rates. They can't do that with the dollar. You know why? Okay, you got $100,000 in the bank, and let's say negative interest rates are 5%. So at the end of the year, you're only going to have $95,000 in the bank. The bank's going to take $5,000 of your dollars. What would you do? Would you leave your money in the bank? No, you'd go get your money. You get the cash. You get the real dollars. Those dollars are going away, my friend. They want to bring in digital dollars so they can have negative interest rates. When you go to the bank and say, I want my money, the bank going to say, no money. You got digital dollars. Digital dollars. Now you can move your dollars around. You can go buy stuff with your dollars. This will get the velocity of money starting quicker, faster. Now this is what the Fed's thinking about doing. This is what they want to do. This is what they'd love to do. Well, is it good for you? Is it good for me? Absolutely not. Is it good for the Fed? Yes. It's a way for them to confiscate your dollars, to steal your money. They want to bring forth a digital dollar. Anyways, now, what's different about this digital dollar than, let's say, a Bitcoin dollar? Well, number one, a digital dollar is going to be controlled by the Fed. Bitcoin doesn't have no central banker behind it where it's going to steal your money. It doesn't work that way. Now, what's beautiful about Bitcoin, what I love about Bitcoin is I call it portable wealth. Let's say, in China, they know this anyways. They buy Bitcoin to get the money out of the country. Buy it, leave. You got any money on you? No money on me as soon as they're out of the country. They got their Bitcoin. Bitcoin is portable wealth. And portable wealth they don't like. So anyways, we'll see what happens. If they bring it forth the digital dollar, will the federal government allow Bitcoin? I don't know. Maybe they'll just, like they doing with TikTok and all those other China companies, maybe they'll just do away with companies like Coinbase and make them illegal. Say, no, you can't sell Bitcoin in the U.S. Bitcoin's illegal in the U.S. I don't know what's going to happen there. But anyways, here's what I do know. You have to protect yourself. Okay, anyways, what I mean by protect yourself, when they're bringing forth this digital dollar, they're going to try to take your money. They're going to try to bring forth negative interest rates. They're going to try to get as much of your money as possible. Now, if I had a dollar, do I feel safe in the dollar anymore? Let's say I had $100,000 and they're all sitting in the dollar. I know they're going to inflate that away. And Jerome Powell came out and said it himself. We're trying to get inflation so that your dollars will become worth less and less and less every time you go to buy something. Go to the grocery store, for God's sakes. It's ridiculous what's happening to prices. You have to protect yourself. Now, anyways, if I was creating like a Bitcoin, like maybe the Mike coin. Let's say I create my own coin. Would I want it backed by something? Or would I just want it, my personal guarantee that I'm going to pay you? No, I'd want to have it backed by something. So what would I want to have it backed by? Well, I think I'd want to have it backed, 50% by gold. The dollar used to be backed by gold. You guys remember that. But who took us off that? President Nixon said, hey, this is bad. We can't inflate. We can't steal your money. We got to go off the gold standard. Is that good for the people? Hell no, we've lost so much money since we've been off the gold standard. Well, anyways, if I had a dollar, I'd make it 50% gold. 50% gold, I'd make it 25% silver. Now, silver, I'd make it 25, like this is a real silver currency. It says $1 on it. Anyways, these cost about $30 now when you go on eBay. Now, the gold one, this is also real. It says $50 on it. But when you go on eBay, these are about $2,000, okay? Do you see, the money is just deteriorating. But physical gold, physical silver, it's not deteriorating. It's not going anywhere. Okay, so I'd be 50% gold. I'd be 25% silver. Another 25%, I'd go Bitcoin, because I love that portability. That portability that I can travel, take it with me to any country in the world and access Bitcoin. That's cool, okay? So 50% gold, 25% silver, and 25% Bitcoin. That would be my dollar. That's what it'd be backed by. Now, today, how do you protect yourself? Okay, let's say you have $100,000 in your 401k or sitting in the bank even. All right. So we got to get 50% in gold, okay? All right. Well, I'd take 50,000 and I'd buy gold, right? So today that would get you about 25 ounces of gold, which you could store. And I like physical gold. That's what I have here. I have physical gold, you know? I mean, it's physical. I can hold it. I can touch it. It's mine. But anyways, sometimes, physical gold, you got to store it. It could be stolen. You could lose it. There's some drawbacks. Okay, so what about the GLD? Well, GLD, the one thing I like about it is, the premiums are a lot less. When I buy this physical gold, okay, I have to pay about, right now, I think it's over $2,000. It's about $2,100, okay? But if I go to sell it back, it's only $1,900. That's like $200. That's like, that's a 10% premium that I have to pay to have the physical. Now with the GLD, I can just buy it and I can sell it anytime I want. I can jump in and out of it. The GLD, you can buy it, sell it. The premiums are like nothing. They're close to zero. All right, so the GLD does have its place. Now, when the shit hits the fan, is the GLD going to be there? That's why physical. You got to have some in physical. You can have some in the GLD, some in physical. So out of that 100,000, let's say you had 50,000 and gold, and maybe you put 25,000 in the GLD, and maybe you're holding on to 12 coins. Okay, well that works. All right, so now we need 25% or 25,000, and we need that in silver. Now, oh God, these are so pretty. I just love these. These are the Silver Eagles. Love them. You can buy them on eBay about $30 right now. But anyways, Silver Eagles. Okay. So, 25,000. You need about 900 of those. All right. Now, what about the SLV? SLV is just like the GLD for gold. The premiums are a lot less. The premiums on this Silver Eagle, anyways, when you pay 30, you probably only sell it back for about 27. Okay, so you're losing about 10% there also. That's what, again, is great about the SLV and the GLD. There's no premiums, right? You can sell them instantly. When you need the cash, you just sell it, you click out of it. And the GLD and the SLV are going to be just fine, unless we go Mad Max. I'm not saying we're not going to go Mad Max because of all the debt we have. We have so much debt. Now, anyway, so the other 25% I'd have in Bitcoin. Okay, so that'd be 25,000. Now, you can go on, let's say, I get you about 2 Bitcoins, right? On Coinbase, they're about 12,000 now. So, yeah, go to Coinbase, buy a couple of Bitcoins. The other way to get exposure to Bitcoin is the GBTC. That's the Grayscale Trust that you can trade just like a stock. And once again, you can trade in and out of that so easily with the stock account. But anyways, this is what I would do. This is what my dollar would be. Now, do you think the Fed, the digital dollar, is going to be backed by anything except the stupid Fed? I don't think so. I really don't think so. I think it's just going to be, it's going to just be the Fed backing it by themselves, and they're going to steal it from you. They're going to have negative interest rates. They're going to monitor every little spending place you move. What if you buy something like a gun and they don't like you buying a gun? Well, they know you bought a gun now. They just want to track you. They want to steal your money. Anyways, this is all I'm saying today is to protect yourself. Protect yourself. It's dangerous out there, and the Fed is the most dangerous enemy we have. They're dangerous. I would think America would be up in arms about this digital dollar. But it's coming in, and it's coming in quicker than people think. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next week, but you're going to hear about it soon, and it's going to be a reality soon. Anyways, protect yourself. Get that gold, that silver, that Bitcoin. Anyways, I'm Tall Mike. Get out there and have a great day, and we'll talk really soon.